What's up, gang? Well, today we just got to do a few chores around the house, take care of the critters, things like that. God, it's severely bright out today. Yeah, there's the geese over there. They're making tons of noise. Yeah. Yeah, there's the geese over there making tons of noise. That's all they do. Walk around, talk, make noise, eat cat food. That's about it. Oh, look. There's our coyote dogs. Let's go see what the coyote dogs are doing. Huh? What are you guys doing? Huh? What are you guys doing? What? What? What are you doing? What are you doing? Say hi. Say hi to the people out there. Say hi. Tell them hi. Tell them hi. Hi. Tell them hi. Yeah? Anyways, after saying hi to them, now we're going to go feed the chickens. And you can hear the turkeys and chickens already. Oh, there's a hole back there. We feed scraps to our chickens. Scraps, pizza, all sorts of stuff. Yep. Scraps that we just don't finish in the house. So we feed to the chickens. It's good food. Chickens like it. Turkeys like it. Looks like they've been eating a bunch of feed and corn out of my feeder. Let's go in here and check these guys out. Back up. Back up. Whoa, now. Looks like the geese think they need fed. Dang geese. Ah, it's for the chickens. There's the rest of the birds. Let's say hi to the old turkeys. Well, at least this one let me pet him. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Here's Harriet. Yeah. Chickens.
What you eating, chicken? What you eating, chicken? Turkey, what you eating? What you eating, chickens?
What are you eating, Turks? Turks, where you going? Eating pizza. Turkeys like pizza. I don't know if you can tell, but they like pizza. All the birds like pizza. Pizza crust. I think their favorite's pepperoni. I really do. I think their favorite is pepperoni pizza. Well, looks like the birds are doing all right. We'll go in there and check out and see what kind of eggs are in there. I know they got eggs. Get my bowl here. Yeah. They like pizza. Make sure we close the door here. We don't want our birds getting out. or critters getting in. Dang coons will wreak havoc on them little birds. Horrible. Dang things will tear you up. Alright, let's go in here and see what we got. It might be a little dark in here. But we'll go see how many eggs we got. Let's go up in here. Oh yeah. See those eggs in there? Yes, sir. Got some eggs. Flip you guys around here. Kind of hard to put you anywhere, actually. I don't know where I'm going to put you guys. Well, I'll tell you what, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to put you right here. Like that. And now, we're going to get the eggs out of the chicken coop. Alright. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 eggs that we can use for omelets, cookies, brownies. What else? What else do you guys use eggs for? What's your favorite egg meal? I guess. Comment below. I want to know what your favorite egg meal is. It could be omelets, sunny side up. It could be I don't know, over easy, scrambled, brownies, cookies, anything that you make eggs with. Comment below and tell me what your favorite egg meal is that you use eggs with, I guess. Something. Hey, look at that, we got a little visitor. Where you at? Well, there was a visitor. Looks like I gotta clean the coop out. Starting to get a little poopy in here. Why don't we do that? Something we could do right now. Anyways, I wanted to show you here. We use cedar. We use cedar bedding for our chickens. I think it's cedar. Yeah. I think it's cedar. Smells like cedar. Tastes like cedar. Must be cedar. So we use cedar shavings for our chickens so they can lay in, because it's nice, it's comfortable when they do their business in the bathroom. It doesn't get real wet and sticky and everything like hay does. It's a lot better than the hay. Oh, look. We got a visitor. What are you doing? Get a visitor. Got another visitor. You guys need to stay out of here. Chickens will hurt you. They'll get you. Turkeys will get you. Get you. You're not afraid, are you? No, you're not afraid. Well, I guess since the chickens kind of look like they're getting a little, I don't know, too much poop, I guess, poop in their cage. I suppose we better get that cleaned out, because nobody likes stepping in their own poop all the time. So Let me put these eggs way up here on top so our cats don't get them. Put those up there. We'll get a broom and a shovel, and then we'll get this poop cleaned out. If I can find a broom and a shovel. Yeah, I found my shovel. Shovel. And a broom. Where is the broom? Broom, where you at? Broom. Can't find a broom. Gotta find a broom. Ah, here's a broom. There we go. There's a little broom. There we go. There we go. Broom and a shovel. That's what we're gonna use to clean out the chicken pen. Here we go. Oh, I'm cat. They're trying to get my eggs. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Jeez. See, everybody likes eggs. And we'll put that right there, block the door. Alright, now we'll go up in here. Try to clean this out. We got these solar lights right here that we keep on for the chickens. And right out here, I got solar panels. So the chickens like to have a light on, especially at night. We actually keep them on all the time. It helps with laying. And also, what makes your chickens lay more is not so much the cold or the warmth, it's how much light there is during the day. So in the fall and winter, there's not as much light, and your chickens won't lay as much. So if you keep a light on in your coop, then your chickens will lay a lot more. And also, if you keep it warmer, you'll have eggs all winter and fall long. So let's clean this baby out and kind of go from there. Yeah, it's kind of tight in here. All right, we'll put you guys right up here, like yay. And I know it's kind of bad, but see if we can get this cleaned out here a little bit. Chickens poop a lot. Whew. That's dirty. Wow. Camera's all dirty. Get you guys here. Alright, hopefully that's better for you. Alright, I'm gonna get the rest of this stuff cleaned out and get this stuff thrown out of here. Alright, so get my camera working here again. There we go. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we got that done. Chickens will enjoy that. Get our door shut again. Gotta keep the door shut, like I said. Gotta lock it, padlock it. Them old coons will get up in there, terrorize my chickens. It's not worth a darn. Put our stuff back here. How many of you guys got outdoor chickens? You guys got chickens? I want to see a comment down below. See what you guys got for chickens. I want to see pictures of chickens. We really like our chickens. They're fun. Everybody likes them. They provide eggs. And you know, if you want to eat a chicken, you know, you could eat a chicken too. They're pets. They're our pets, and we like them. They're fun. Like I said, eggs, best thing on earth. So the turkeys, they're just fun. I love hearing turkeys gobble in the spring. Ain't nothing better than firing up a good old turkey hunter with some turkeys in your backyard. Always gobbling. Anyways, we did that. Cleaned out the chicken coop. Checked on the chickens, fed the chickens, got some eggs. They had water, they got food, and they're living on the high life. They are doing very well. So, oh, let's run back here real quick and check out. I wanted to do, we planted some pecan trees the other day, my son and I did. And I don't remember what we planted. 50, 75, 100, I don't remember. There's quite a few of them. We dug a lot of holes. So we planted these pecan trees. I like pecans. Do you guys like pecans? If you guys like pecans, let me know down below. And I want to know what you guys make with pecans. If you just eat them, or if you make pies, anything. Comment down below. Tell me what you like about pecans. Pecans, however you say it. Anyways, we planted them all right here, down here by the pond. You can't really see now, but this whole big area right here is we planted a ton of trees. Well, nuts, technically. And we're wanting for them to grow up. My dad planted a bunch of them, and he's got a ton of pecans now. So they take about 5 years in good soil to start producing nuts. So I'm hoping here in a few years we'll have quite a few pecan trees, and then what we're going to do is we're going to transplant these trees once they grow up about a foot tall or half foot tall, whatever. Once we start seeing them coming up, we're going to transplant them around the property, and deer love them. Deer absolutely love them. So that's another thing. If you got pecans, deer love them. So if you're a deer hunter, get yourself some pecan trees, plant them. Deer love pecans. Remember that. So, anyways, it's kind of dark in the without the sunlight. I need to get these old round bales picked up one of these days. Got round bales out here in my pasture for the old cattle. Yeah, nice big old round bale right there. I need to get these round bales picked up for our cows. Goats are gonna have fun with them here this fall, or this early spring. So anyways, if you like the video, comment down below that you like the video. We're just starting kind of a new page. Something new, something different. Yeah, it is Archery Assassins, but we're a very family-based people. Love the outdoors, love our farm, and we're just bringing a lot of our stuff that we do to you guys to show you what we do. And we're gonna throw in a lot of informational stuff. You'll see, you know, quite a bit of hunting and things of that nature. A lot of our farm, but I'm gonna try to bring as much information to you guys about the stuff that we're doing, so you can bring that back to your life and put that in there, and hopefully we can help. So anyways, comment down below if you like the video, and subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button and like the video. Shows us the support. It shows us that you like what we are doing. And well, I mean, just comment down below, subscribe, and like what we do, and we'll just keep on coming back to you every week. And I mean, I guess we'll just have to see you guys later, because I want to keep throwing videos at you and I want you to keep watching. So hey, have a great day. We'll see you on the flip side. See ya.
Bye.